My name is Jonathan Odom. This is my week 4 screen review video for the project week 4 for ASD. And let's just go through these prompts. What went better than expected? The create and the display of each document details seemed to go a lot easier. The part that didn't go so well was the edit. I still seem to have one small little bug. It's not doing it at the moment, so I can't show what it's doing. But for some reason, the first time you go to edit something, it won't populate the form fields. But if you go back to home and then go to edit, and it populates the second time, you go to edit something. Not sure why it's doing that. If anybody has a little input for me, be greatly appreciated. But the actual display here, if I just view one of these, it'll list things out. These aren't my bills. These are just, well, they're kind of my bills, but they're not the correct amounts or anything like that. If you choose one of these to click on it, populate another page where it will display all the details of that item. You see, I got my test here, all my different prompts. I'm gonna edit here. Maybe it'll do my problem this time, the bug that I was talking about. And of course it didn't. Not sure why that bug is giving me any problems. But I can choose. There's my select and change my type here, income or an expense. This took me a little while to do. I did this back in week 1. Every time I change the type, it'll change my select to be something different. I'm not sure why the Android emulator is so laggy, but it is. We'll go to the iOS emulator. That's a little faster. Choose one. Choose a random one here. Display everything right there. Edit it. I hadn't gone through this one and this one. See, change it. Change my category there. Go back to expense. It'll take me to a whole new page. Screen's not big enough for the other select menu. I've used quite a skill from all the previous courses. I am working on one more feature on the home page here, to where it will display the total amount of all the expenses right here, and your total amount of all incomes that are entered right here. I went back to one of my SDI, week 4 of SDI, to come up with how to display the total. I'm still working on it. I haven't got it to append to the right places just yet. Working with the simulator. The simulator is easy to work with. It flows a lot easier. The emulator, on the other hand, is a bit laggy to me. And I had a few problems getting it started to even open the emulator. I've got my emulator running Jelly Bean. I might check on the other versions of Android. If I had enough battery on my phone at the moment, I would actually just use my phone. I have an iPhone and a Galaxy S3, so I'm hoping I will probably actually start using this app on any of my devices, because it's basically what I'm making it for. I need to use it. But that's all the prompts. That's a little demo of my app here. If I just go right to add a bill, in which I need to reword that phrase, it needs to just be add an item, like I've got my header there. And just fill in the main prompts, fill in every prompt, and that's it. It'll save it to the document. That's my app. Thank you.